Hello dear friends, welcome to Tag and Tag channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to turn off the notifications of live streams on Instagram accounts. So, watch the video carefully until the end. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon. Let's go. Step 1. Open Instagram account. Click your profile account. Click setting and click notifications. Okay, after click notification, click live and Rels. Easy. Original tool. For example, Johan created a reel with your auto audio. Okay, turn off remixes off. For example, remixes your reel. Live video. For example, Johan started a live video notification for you. Turn off. Recently uploaded reels. Turn off. Most watched reels. Check out the most watched reels in your location today. For example, off. Icon. Add your. John started and add your prompt. For example, off. Reels made for you. Senior reels made for you. Off. If it is off, you will not receive the notifications. You can choose the options according to your personal opinion. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Tag and tag.